Hey foodies! Now you guys know fall is slowly approaching and it's the time for comfort food, cozy food, warm food. So I have to share this whole roasted chicken recipe with you guys. So let's get the seasonings ready. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes, a tablespoon of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of Creole seasoning, a tablespoon of dried thyme, 2 tablespoons of adobo all-purpose seasoning. I will not be using any salt, and a tablespoon of ground ginger. We're gonna mix that all in. Before you guys say, oh, that's a lot of seasoning, this is the whole bird that we're gonna roast. So this baby gotta be seasoned down to the bone. So I cleaned, washed, and spatchcocked my chicken off camera. So I'm just drizzling a little bit of oil, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the seasoning. Go ahead and rub it in. Make sure you get underneath the skins. Sprayed my pan with a little olive oil. If you have a cast iron skillet, that would be even better. I added a half a cup of chicken broth with some bell peppers and some red onions, some carrots. Throw some potatoes in there if you have them, and I'm gonna bake uncovered at 400 degrees for 30 minutes first, and then we're gonna take it out and baste it. Bake for an additional 30 minutes, and then we're gonna baste again. So I cooked it in total for an hour and 20 minutes, and this is how we're looking. So delicious.